For most of the US, school is over. That means school IT departments go into maintenance mode now, do the updates they've forgotten, clean the keyboards, and get ready for the new year. But there are a couple of lessons that school IT have taken that we should, as business, learn, and where we should see that IT shouldn't be a hindrance, but something that supports our mission. The first thing is complex doesn't mean good. If you've ever seen a first grader enter a password, you know that they don't care about cybersecurity. They want to have fun. They want to use the IT. They want to use the computer. They don't even know IT means. They would forget a password if it was the typical 8 characters, a number, a symbol. Only later in life we tell them it's important now to choose a secure password. Do we really assume that adults are better at remembering passwords? That suddenly during puberty we discover, oh, 8 characters is what I can remember. 12 characters is secure. No, we just force ourselves to remember these things later in life because we think they're important, but for the average person, it probably isn't. So let's get together and find simple ways to make logins accessible, but also secure, like multi-factor authentication. Like fingerprints, at least if they're done in a secure fashion, or like little keys to plug into the computer. All of that outperforms a password, and all of it takes much less toll on our mental health. Second thing we should learn is that it's never about the IT. When the kids start using the computers, they want to go to their learning program, painting something, programming, maybe. But then don't come like, I want to use a computer, no matter what I do. The same is true. We need to focus on what we want to achieve, what our users want to achieve, and not so much on the IT around it. And thirdly, while there are big maintenance windows in schools, they still do updates during the year. But it needs to work around everyone else's schedule. And so we should find these windows where we can do major projects and find the windows where we can do the little things that keep our system secure. And that way, education can teach all of us what to do for the upcoming year to keep IT secure. Thank you.